Now we study Apollonius theorem and its example. Apollonius theorem. In triangle ABC, if M is the midpoint of side BC or AM is median on side BC, then AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AM square plus 2BM square. I draw the triangle ABC, in which point M is the midpoint of side BC, means AM is the median. Given, what is given? In triangle ABC, M is midpoint of side BC. This is given. To prove, AB square plus AC square, this is equal to 2AM square plus 2BM square. Construction, I draw AD perpendicular to BC. Draw AD perpendicular to side BC. Proof. In triangle AMB, in this triangle AMB, angle M is obtuse angle. Angle M is obtuse angle. By using application of Pythagoras theorem, angle M is obtuse angle, its opposite side AB square. This is equal to sum of the squares of remaining two sides, AM square plus BM square plus 2 times BM into MD. 2 times BM into MD. Equation first, by using application of Pythagoras theorem. Similarly, in triangle AMC, angle M, this one, is the acute angle. By using application of Pythagoras theorem, angle M, its opposite side AC, hence AC square is equal to remaining two side AM MC, AM square plus MC square minus 2 times MC into MD, by using application of Pythagoras theorem. This is equal to AM square as it is, plus, instead of this MC, I substitute BM, because BM is equal to MC, means M is the midpoint of BC. Hence I write here BM square minus 2 as it is. Instead of this MC, I substitute BM into MD. Equation 2. Reason BM is equal to MC. By adding equation 1 and 2, we get, where is the equation 1? This one. Equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 2. Add equation 1 and 2. LHS, AB square plus AC square is equal to AM square here also AM square, its addition 2AM square, plus BM square, 2BM square. Next, 2BM into MD, here minus 2BM into MD, these two terms are cancelled, hence what remain here only? AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AM square plus 2BM square, means here Apollonius theorem is proved. The example depends on Apollonius theorem. Practice set 2.2. Question first. In triangle PQR, point S is the midpoint of side QR. If PQ 11, PR is equal to 17, PS is equal to 13, find QR. I draw the triangle PQR in which S is the midpoint of side QR. PQ 11, PR 17, PS 13. Solution. In triangle PQR, segment PS is median on side QR. This is given by Apollonius theorem. What is the Apollonius theorem? Here PS is median on QR, two sides PQ, PR, bracket PQ square plus PR square. This is equal to PQ square plus PR square is equal to 2 times PS square, means median square, 2 times PS square plus 2 times QS square or 2 times SR square. Now you substitute the values here. PQ 11 given, its square, PR 17 given, its square is equal to 2 into PS 13, PS square, its square plus 2 times QS square. What is the square of 11? 121 plus 17 square 289. This is equal to 2 into 169 square of 13 square plus 2 QS square. Sum of 121 and 289, it is a 410. This is equal to product of 2 into 169, 338 plus 2 QS square. See, therefore 2 QS square is equal to 410 minus 338. The subtraction is 72. 2 QS square is equal to 72. Hence QS square is equal to 72 divided by 2, 36. Therefore QS is equal to 6 by taking square root on both sides. Here value of QS is equal to 6. What you find? QR. QR is equal to 2 times QS, 2 into QS. S is midpoint of QR. 2 into, what is the value of QS? 6. 2 into 6, 12. Therefore QR is equal to 12.